Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how to work with OLED display with CircuitPython. For this tutorial, I'm using Raspberry Pi Pico. If you want, you can choose ESP32 as well. And we need a breadboard, an OLED display. Here I'm using SSD1306. As we know, it is a 0.96-inch OLED display connecting wires. Here it is the wiring diagram. As you can see, SDA is connected to ZP0, SCL is connected to ZP1, 5 volts power supply to either VBus or V system, and ground to ground. OLED display is an external peripheral. We need a library to work with this. I'm going to download the latest library files. Just go to browser and search for CircuitPython and go to download section. You can see there are two versions here. It is version 8 and version 9. I'm going to download version 9 here. Just extract the file here. These are the list of libraries which are available on CircuitPython. You can use any one of this library. For this tutorial, I need two libraries. Just select those libraries from the extracted folder and paste into library folder on CircuitPython drive. Now we are done with the connections and we have successfully copied the libraries. Now I am going to scan I2C devices. Here I can see the address of OLED display. You can see the address on the back side of the display. Most of the cases the manufacturer printed on the devices. If not, just verify the address. It is very useful for communicating with the specific I2C device. Now come to the program part for OLED display on CircuitPython. This is the simple code which is useful to turn on all the pixels with white color. That means turn on, and we can turn off as well by simply using a command called OLED.fill. You can place 0, that means the display turn off. You can place 1, the display turn on. Now I'm interested in turn on a specific pixel on the OLED display. It is possible by using a keyword called OLED.pixel and give any specific address, and at the end 1 means turn on, 0 means turn off. As you can see the output on the right side corner. Now we are going to draw geometrical shapes like circle, line, rectangle, ellipse, triangle on the OLED display. For the specific application, I have created a library. You can download that library. I'll give it on the description. Just simply paste it on your library folder and you can use it. To use the geometrical shape library, just copy this code. I'm going to import time functionality, and at the same time I have imported the geometrical shapes. First of all, I'm going to draw a line with thickness of 1 pixel each. You can see the output on the right side corner. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. Here you can see the variable called fill. If you place 1, the rectangle is filled. If you place 0, the rectangle is empty with a thickness of 1 pixel each. If you place 2 here, the thickness is 2 pixel each at the inside, and you can change the location of the rectangle. I have designed this library, and you can change um, many functions like position, infill, thickness, and much more. Like in the same way, I have designed a library for circles, for elliptical, and for triangles. Now I'm going to show all the geometrical shapes on the OLED display like line, rectangle, ellipse, circle, triangle, and polygon. You can see the output on the right side corner. Okay, then now we are going to learn custom character. Till now we have built it. Okay, as you can see, on OLED display that you're using, it has 128 by 64 pixels, and you can specify and blink each pixel. Now I have created Excel file. It shows the address and convert the address into decimal and hexadecimal code. In the cells, you can place a simple one to turn on that particular specific decimal position. The reason why I have created 8 rows and 5 columns, in the upcoming lectures we are using 5 by 8 font size, so that's why I am created the same size custom character. If you want, you can change the values as well. This is the code. You can copy it here and you can place on the custom character. Okay, just simply paste it here and run the code. You can see the custom character that is we created earlier on the right side corner. Yes, here is the output. Now I have downloaded some of the custom characters on the internet. You can see these are the custom characters, and I'm placing the characters here on the different positions and run.